We've made it. Welcome to the final day of the 12 Days of Christmas series. I have created so many items over the last 11 days. I cannot wait to start creating today's items. Not sure why Santa is there, but let's jump into it. One of the first steps will be creating little goodie bags for the jars to go in out of mesh ribbon. So we have this pretty red glitter tulle ribbon, and then we also have this gorgeous green snowball mesh ribbon. So the first thing is I'm going to measure it out. We're going to be creating bags that are 8 by 6. So first I'm going to create a little cut right here so I know exactly where to cut all the way across. I'm also going to be cutting the exact same size and amount for the green mesh, and I will be creating a total of 12 of these, 6 in each color. So now that we have our first cutout for each of the colors, I'm going to go ahead and quickly make the rest to get 6 of each. So I'm going to rest the ribbon on the side, and let's quickly jump into making the candy jars that will go in these bags. First, I'm going to put in, yes, the decorative shredding. We all know I love decorative shredding, and it is mixed brown, white, and red. The candies we will be using will be a mixture of strawberry candies, chocolates, and these lovely mint candy canes. Now each jar have this lovely mix of chocolates, and they will also get 2 candy canes per jar. Let's go ahead and close them up, and then we're going to get right back into making our ribbon mesh bags. I think I may have a favorite. This snowball green mesh is immaculate. I love that. Just so you get an idea of exactly what I'm using, here is the red and as well as the green. Very inexpensive. You can pick them up anywhere at your local Christmas shop. Let's get into it. So as you can see here, I'm just creating a crease at the bottom of the bag. Make sure the top is completely lined up. And I'm going to now get our sealing machine ready. It actually is instant. It doesn't take time to heat up or anything. So what you want to do is place it on the heating machine and just heat each side. You will not be able to see it on this bag, but you will be able to see the line in the red bag. So I will show you that in a second, but here you just do each side. It only takes a few seconds, maybe 3 to 5 seconds, and then you have your bag. And as you can see, it does not rip apart. And here is your 8 by 6 bag. I'm quickly doing another snowball mesh green bag before I do the red. And just so you get an idea, I want to show you how close the line is to the edge. So if you look closely, you would see it right there. Now let's go ahead and try our glitter red mesh ribbon. First, we're going to lay it out on the heat sealer, and then we are going to make sure it is lined up perfectly at the top. Now this bag, you will be able to see the heat sealed portion. If you look closely, it's right there. Now just to give you an example of how long to keep it down for, it's about 3 to 5 seconds. Now you can actually change the heating setting if you have different materials. This machine is great. Again, it is a heat sealer. Here's our perfectly 8 by 6 bag. Now once you've finished sealing all of your bags, go ahead and pack the heat sealer on the side so we can move on to the next step. So grab your newly created mesh bag, and let's go ahead and start putting some of the candy jars in each bag. Now once I get it in here, you will see that this bottle fits perfectly in the bag. It's not too spacious and it's not too tight. It gives it a little bit of room. And then we're going to go ahead and put a ribbon on it. I don't know which ribbon I should choose for this one. Should it be the green, or would it look better with the red? You decide. Let me know in the comments what I should have done. What I'm probably going to end up doing is just mixing all the ribbons to the bag. So some of these red match bag candy jars will have green ribbon as well as red, and vice versa for the other bags. So I'm going to quickly wrap up these bottles, which will be 6 in each color. 6 of the green snowball match ribbon and 6 of the red glitter ribbon. Okay guys, the wait is finally over. I'm going to be listing the rules for you to enter the giveaway. I will be choosing 3 winners in my next video that will be receiving one of these amazing treats. Here are the easy rules. The first thing you need to do is smash that subscribe button. Secondly, you will need to like all 12 videos that have been in this Christmas series. Third, drop the word done in this video's comments and then the number of gifts you think I have created in this entire series. Good luck to everyone. Again, I will be choosing the winners in my next video.